look, election is not over yet. We can't jump steps like this. First you have to...
Madam, would you care to...
Then we have to have election of the leader in our party. No, but it's not a question of doubt or not. I'm telling the procedure that has to be followed. Well, I can only say that one feels exceedingly humble when we see the faith and trust of the people, because there's no doubt that this faith increases our responsibility if the responsibility is always there. But with this kind of a mandate, one feels all the more urged to do something quickly. I can only thank the people very warmly for the manner in which they have helped.